Hello, my name is Rod Bates and I'm the owner of Koinonia Guide Service. On behalf of our staff and our sponsors, we'd like to thank you for fishing with us. It is our mission at Koinonia Guide Service to provide you a safe, educational, productive, and memorable experience while exposing you to God's wonderful creation. We see God's great power in the fact that He's created the Susquehanna River, and we see His goodness to us in the fact that He gives us the time, the ability, and the opportunity to enjoy this wonderful creation. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And thank you for choosing Koinonia Guide Service. Okay, we just got set up. We got David here in the back and Ben's in the center there. And we just got all 4 rods out and we got bit already. There's number 1, little guy. Our first double. Okay, right to me, Ben. Swing him right in here. Okay, this is our last one in the water, so we're get him in. We got bait up and do it all again. That's getting close to an eating size.
Same. They're all about the same size, aren't they?
Oh, I'd keep that one.
Yeah.
We just drifted back a little bit and we hooked up on a double. Uh-oh. You need help, Ben? Okay. Go ahead and just bring him right up over the back rail. Yep, there's 1.
Sorry.
And 2.
Should have grabbed my pliers this morning.
Another little one. Another one coming in.
Oh, yeah.
You can swing him right to me. Oh, watch that rod. Good job. Ben's clearing the rod to get out of the way, and David's got a good one coming in. Oh, be careful. I'm ready if you want me to get him. David's getting bit, and Ben's got one coming. I'm ready.
Yeah.
He thinks he's a bass. Out there jumping and carrying on. Oh yeah.
That's a nice fish.
I'm ready. There's one fish in, another one coming. All right, right to me. It's coming right at you, go fast. Whoa, there's a good one.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
One in the boat, number 2 coming. You have to move your rod down. I didn't get a chance to get video. I was baiting up a rod and he got this one in there. That's a good one. There's another double coming. That's a good one too.
Yep.
Nice.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good double picture. There it is, Sudden Impact. The only bait you need for channel cats. By Team Catfish. Okay, we're wrapping it up. 40 channel cats. Big one was 21 inches, I think. What'd you guys think of that Sudden Impact?
That's awesome.
Great time.
And we got something to take home and eat, so thanks for fishing with Koinonia and hope to see you again. Gonna wrap her up now. We gotta head to the ramp. Sunset's coming up, going down. Beautiful day, enjoying God's creation.